First up is the YouTube Shorts Fund. Keep an eye out for opportunities like this one because this is a program where they provide financial or monetary incentive for creators who produce popular and engaging short videos. When you meet the eligibility criteria, you get a share of that fund. Therefore, additional revenue for you. Hey everyone, it's me Coach Z, and in this channel, I share everything freelancing. So if this sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. So let's talk about how you can monetize your YouTube Shorts. If you're excited to dig in, go smash that like button and let's get started. One of the lesser known ways to monetize YouTube Shorts is through sponsorships and collaborations. So if I were you, reach out to brands and companies and propose creating short content featuring their products or services. This can help you earn money through brand deals, sponsored content, and affiliate partnerships. Next is merchandise promotion. Did you know that you can promote your merchandise in your YouTube Shorts? Take advantage of YouTube Shorts by including subtle product placements to direct your viewers to your merchandise or e-commerce store. This can help you add revenue and engage your viewers simultaneously. So you can add your e-commerce store or merchandise store as pop-ups in your videos, or you can add the link in the comments or add the link as cards. Next is cross-promotion. Use your YouTube Shorts to cross-promote your main YouTube channel and other social media platforms. By including brief teasers of your longer form content, you invite people to subscribe and increase your overall viewership. This strategy can help you increase your subscriber base and at the same time open new monetization opportunities. Next is crowdfunding or fan support. You can make use of YouTube Shorts to redirect your viewers to your more exclusive content. And this could be Patreon or Ko-fi, where your viewers provide monetary support in exchange of exclusive perks or early access to your content. Now, those are the unheard or uncommon ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts. If you are getting value so far, please drop the word gold in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Now, let's move on to other ways of monetizing your YouTube Shorts. First up is the YouTube Shorts Fund. Keep an eye out for opportunities like this one because this is a program where they provide financial or monetary incentive for creators who produce popular and engaging short videos. When you meet the eligibility criteria, you get a share of that fund. Therefore, additional revenue for you. Next up is ad placements. While YouTube Shorts don't support mid-roll ads yet, you can place ad breaks in the beginning or after your short videos. Last is licensing your music. If you add your original music into your YouTube Shorts, you can license your tracks for additional revenue. So there you have it. I believe I got everything covered. I hope you got value from this episode and this helped you understand the different monetization opportunities for your YouTube Shorts. Until my next video.